Okay, Calvin, I'm doing a check of the digital resumes and the blogs, and we do have some work to do here, don't we? And I know you know that, so I'll be quick. The layout's fine, but you do need to start making this your own space, replacing these pictures with images that you create or you find that are related to social studies. Welcome to my projects would be welcome to my digital resume. The more you know about social studies, the better you are as a citizen. Let's start making this about the class. The blog needs to be updated. We need to see evidence of the readings. We need to see evidence of, you've done the readings, you've been taking your notes. You are a reader. I know this. So let's start seeing some representations. Need to see 3 to 4 blog posts, and I'd like to see them substantial. Now, don't do them back to back, of course, but let's start reflecting on the readings. How are you looking back at these readings? How are you understanding the elementary social studies coming together for you? I'd like to start seeing some representations of that, please. And as well as now you've got an about me. That's fantastic. Your main points and supporting claims. You have a great layout, okay? Your philosophy of teaching is going to go there as well, and you've got a place for your projects. Like, you have a layout for everything. But now we have to start putting it all together, right? Okay. So I think you know what you need to do. And if I can help, let me know. You can take a look at some other examples. I'm going to share some links to other blogs that you also could link out to yourself. So let's start building our own personal footprint here for elementary social studies. What is Mr. Simon? What is Calvin's views? I'd like Calvin's views to be out there. I want them in the blogosphere. I want them a part of the conversation. And so take it from that point of view. You are a connoisseur of the educational situation, and you can also pull on your current experiences and how that might relate to social studies. Let's start making this happen, okay? So this is your reminder. This is your nudge in the right direction. This is your call to action, however you'd like to see it. I know you can write. I know you can do it. So let's see it happen, okay? Thank you.